All right, guys, what we got here is a little radiator guard hack. This piece of junk, aluminum radiator, it's probably the cheapos I think people are buying. I didn't buy it. Previous guy bought it, and it looks cool with the logo and all that, and it looks like it's perfectly fine, but it's actually chopping the ABS slash speedo wire, which I showed you in a previous video. So the wire got hacked because it hacks it up against this lip between the fork support there, the black thing, and this lip, because they designed it poorly. So I'm going to hack it off and just cut that piece off. As you can see my pencil mark, I'm going to be cutting it straight down the pencil mark and then up. I'm getting rid of this whole thing. You can see the wear marks where it was smashing into the fork stanchion support, and that's literally a nice sharp edge. It's perfectly designed to chop that ABS wire, and that's why I'm getting ABS short outs and speedo short outs. So this cheesy ass guard is going to get modified. You can even see where it's bent it in where it smashed it so many times, but it's just a poor design. I don't know how you build this thing and spend the time doing it and not have it right, but anyway, I hope that helps you guys. Kind of an important thing. You don't want to short out your ABS, etc. Talk to you later. I'll show you the finished results. Bye. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.